Explore the nuances of operator logins and permissions in Primo with this walkthrough. What is the benefit of having operator logins and permissions? The Primo software allows you to assign operator logins to operator permissions to give or restrict access to parts of the system. It is recommended that each user of the Primo software has a unique login account. This ensures accountability as the system audits and tracks all modifications. Operator logins can be created per site. Drop down on the site selector and select the site on which the operator login should be created. Navigate to Operators to add operator logins. Click on Add. Operators must exist as credential holders. Fill in the details of the login such as username and password, and this is where you will link the login to an existing credential holder and assign the permission role. Each operator is assigned a specific role that defines their permissions, determining what they can view and do within the software. Let's look for a role that fits a receptionist that will be responsible for credential holder enrollments. The contextual help will provide you with a brief description of each role. Access the Roles section. The system owner has full create, read, update and delete permissions for all views. The default sysdba system owner role should be avoided because it doesn't link actions to a specific user, making it difficult to track changes. Additionally, it has broad permissions, allowing unrestricted system modifications. The site administrator has privileges to maintain the site, run reports and monitor transactions. Site installer has hardware privileges as well as limited access to run reports and monitor transactions. The site reports role is ideal for HR administrators. Operator logins assigned to this role can run reports and monitor transactions. Operator logins assigned to the site enrollment role has access to enrollments, run reports and monitor transactions. A site guard has limited access to run reports and monitor transactions. The receptionist's login will be assigned the site enrollment role. Click on Save. Data filters are used to limit the information available to an operator. To further define data filters, click on Manage. Select the site filter. Click on the Next button. The receptionist will only have access to records on the Campus B site. Proceed by clicking Next. Confirm the action by clicking Confirm. Log out and log in as the operator. Enter the operator login credentials and click on Login. Once an operator is logged in, they can change their password to something only they know from the drop-down. The menus available to the operator are based on the role that was assigned to this login. A data filter for the site, Campus B, was added to this login and therefore the operator can only view, add and edit records for Campus B. The guide covered essential tasks in Primo for managing operator logins and permissions.